Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I'm glad you are joining me today. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals from X and expert stock recommendations. Let us jump right into what is moving the markets. Memory chip stocks are dominating the conversation. Micron is seeing some action, and it is largely a story of volatility following a massive run-up. After a parabolic surge last month, the stock is pulling back as investors weigh long-term AI demand against short-term supply concerns and a cooling AI trade. Similarly, SanDisk is in the spotlight, rallying in pre-market trading after positive analyst notes from Bank of America and Mizuho, who both lifted their price targets. This follows a period where the stock had been sinking on broader fears of Federal Reserve rate hikes. Then there's NVDA. The chip giant is also seeing some movement, with CEO Jensen Huang recently characterizing the recent tech sell-off as a buying opportunity. The narrative here remains focused on the massive AI infrastructure build-out, even as regulatory scrutiny and macro pressures keep traders on their toes. Meanwhile, fuel cell energy is making waves, though for different reasons. The company reported its second quarter results, and while it showed a massive 267% surge in its sales pipeline due to data center demand, the stock is under pressure as net losses widen significantly. Finally, Amazon is being discussed as investors continue to digest the company's massive $200 billion annual capital expenditure plan, which, while supporting long-term growth, is raising questions about the immediate economics of its data center investments. Turning to the broader market, U.S. futures are showing a rebound today, signaling a bit of a recovery after the sharp slide we saw late last week. The catalyst seems to be a combination of dip buying in the semiconductor sector and a slight cooling of the intense selling pressure that hit tech stocks on Friday. Investors are also keeping a close eye on geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, which remain a headline risk, while keeping a watchful eye on any shifts in central bank policy expectations. In the world of AI, the land grab continues. We are seeing continued focus on the infrastructure layer, with companies like Applied Digital securing new credit facilities to expand their high-performance data centers. At the same time, the industry is shifting focus from pure experimentation to scale. Accenture and Carnegie Mellon just launched an AI adoption maturity model to help firms actually get measurable returns from their AI spending, a sign that the market is maturing beyond just the initial hype phase. As for stocks in focus beyond the chip makers, there is plenty of interest in the broader tech landscape. Keep an eye on Apple as we head into their developer conference, where the focus will be on their generative AI capabilities. Also, watch the energy sector, where collaborations like the one between EPAM Systems and TGS on Amazon Web Services are highlighting how AI is being integrated into industrial workflows. Looking at today's earnings, it is a relatively quiet day for large caps. Vail Resorts is on the docket to report after the close, so keep an eye on that for insights into consumer spending. We also have VinFast Auto reporting, which will be a key watch for those tracking the electric vehicle space. To wrap things up, we are seeing a market trying to find its footing after a volatile week, with AI infrastructure and memory chips remaining the primary battleground for sentiment. It is a day of consolidation and reassessment. Thanks for listening to FinPod. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what sectors you want me to cover next. And remember, for stock recommendations, visit fintwit.ai.